Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of March. Libra, the liberals. Libra, the justice system. Okay, Libra, the scales. Okay, so I'm getting something about weight and height. Weight and height. Weight and height, okay. Yeah. Let's go. I'm getting the Statue of Liberty. I'm getting something about a cancelled flight. Let's go. I'm also getting somebody can't say. And can't say anymore. I'm getting somebody vision was lost. So I'm getting if you did something to somebody, the table's turning now. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the Four of Cups coming out first, so I'm getting that's rejection. You're saying no. Now this could be no to alcohol, no to intoxications. The Four of Cups leads to the Five of Cups. So I'm getting somebody who has been lying to you, cheating on you, hurting you. I'm getting them want to come back again. I'm getting you gave this person multiple chances. And you're here. I'm getting someone's trying to make you out to be very spoiled. I'm not talking about spoil as in they're giving you everything you want. They're making like you. My way or the highway isn't spoil. My way or the highway is my way. You gotta do what I ask you for do, or you're not going to do it. That is what that means. By getting you ask them one time, you ask them 2 times, you ask them 3 times. Them now giving it to you on the 4th time you ask them. You're saying no. Because why would you reject me 1, 2, 3 times first? If you wanted to, you could have do it the first time. You wait until the 4th time. Me getting somebody was waiting until they're desperate. You're the Ace of Swords. Maybe somebody feels like when you're desperate, you're going to reach out to them. All right? We have the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting 6. Here's the 10 of Pentacles. So apparently you had to act like a stuck-up to get where you wanted. Because I'm getting somebody's messaging you and you said no. And then all of a sudden I'm getting all this money in your bank account. Somebody might say to you, Libra, if you want, you should have just tell me what you want. Me getting you tell them 1, 2, 3 times. Them giving it on the 4th time. Now again, the 4 leads to the 5 of Cups. The 5 of Cups is cheating. A relationship ended. So me getting, if somebody a lie to you, they might do it 4 times to you. Me getting whatever this is like somebody hurt you and they're gonna come back. And they're gonna hurt you again and come back. And me getting you went through it 4 times already. The 5th now is actually you calling it quits. So I'm getting when you say no, all of a sudden all of this money show up. I'm also getting you don't want somebody when you speak to their family. Somebody when you speak to them sister, their mother. I'm getting you do not want to have anything to do with someone's family. Because I'm getting what's happening is you have all of this money coming in and I'm getting somebody want you and them family to be friends. Yeah, the Tower card. I'm getting you're not friends with them family. You're not friends with them sister. Somebody literally could have been having them family have access to money that supposed to be yours. Living in a house, renting a place. Them will get evicted. I'm getting somebody will get kicked out. Them are claims that them are your family. Or me getting somebody want you be close to them like they're your family. Me getting all of this money coming in because you said no. Yeah, the 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, no, somebody have to worry about rent. I know we have 70. Somebody's born 1977. Because me getting something you ask 4 times. Them say no. Them do it something to you 4 times already. Me getting you were fair. You were just. You give somebody the option to do what they wanted to do. Well, me getting them inside for the whatever. Libra. You might be dealing with a narcissist. You know, narcissist abuse. You might be dealing with a narcissistic character. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting you saying no. Me getting you want more for yourself. You want better for yourself. And me getting somebody know your way of worth. Somebody know you deserve more. Somebody know you deserve better. But them just give you the worst. That's not a person you want to start a foundation with. The Nine of Pentacles. Me getting, remember say you have options for say you can decline, you can say no, you can break up with a man today. You don't have kids, there's no kids here. You can say no, and people might be like you're ungrateful for saying no. Okay, you want them, why you say yes to blood clot pickle juice? Then why you say yes to the basic ass shit? No, other people can say yes to that, not you. You can choose for say no. You have bragging rights for say no. You have the body for say no. You have the face card for say no. You have everything for say no. You can say no if you want. Half of your fathers did to your birth papers. We also have 7 again. If somebody a bank on you, they a bank on you and them for the best friends. We have 10 of Pentacles, clarifying the 10 of Pentacles. 10, 10. 10, 10. They might have the option for do something. But we have 10 of Pentacles, clarifying the 10 of Pentacles. This could be something about we're getting a family going to arrange 2 people to be together. We're getting you are the 9 of Pentacles. Someone's son is the 7 of Pentacles. I feel like someone's son does not have a flashy job, but them come from a rich family. You're going to marry somebody's son for money. The family is okay with that. Me getting the family want you marry them son. Me getting them, me don't know what them, me getting them son is like a cleaner. Or like a, me getting somebody does not have a beautiful title. Them outside with a shovel, raking up a yard, but me getting them family. Me getting them family of, yeah, 10 of Pentacles, me getting you marry into somebody family. The family know. The family is okay with it. The family is aware that yes, my son is going to marry this woman. He has to take care of her because we don't want this woman fucking on our son. 10, 10. You're going to marry somebody for their money. Me getting you and a family going to be brought together. So it's not a man, it's not a guy where you can say, oh, my man is a rapper. You know, oh yeah, my man is a Fortune 500 CEO. I don't know what him do. I feel like him do like the most average job like him. Literally, it's look like cleaning. Him outside with a shovel. Me getting him make 7 of Pentacles. Me getting him not gonna make him not. Me getting is like him family not giving him money until him date this girl. What? Like him family says, son, when are you going to get a girlfriend and settle down? Be getting, are me getting somebody family will give you money? I don't think they're giving you money for date them son, but me getting the son, me getting the family have so much money, but the son, them just make the son work, so the son not home. You know, those are the families me okay with. You have some family who are rich and starve them son. I make them son pay rent. Me getting, you don't even make your son go to college. You don't want your son name mixed up with any type of government documents. Me getting your son intelligent, him work, but me getting him work a basic job where if him want to leave, him can just up and leave. Like, me getting your son clean. But me getting him family have so much money. But me getting you don't make him stay at home. This could be, you provide everything for your son. Me getting you provide him house, food, you give him money, but you just, I don't know, I feel like your son work a 40-hour week for support him Minecraft habits. Come and get him don't have to work, him family rich, but him family is like, no, I don't want you home. Because rich people know when you stay home, you're depressed. Rich people know that. They must say just go out, just go out. You have a job for my son, yeah, he doesn't, it can be any job, man, don't worry. Even though they're rich, because they don't want them stay home. Them gonna stay home, lock up in a house, masturbate a lot. Or them gonna join an OnlyFans subscription and fall in love with an online girl. You have to send them outside. Especially when them come from a rich family. Me getting get married, me getting, but you, look on you. Look on the son. Me getting both of them to get along great. Me getting the son very, very shy. Somebody have like sharp features. The Tower card is clarified by the 8 of Cups. Okay. Yeah, I'm also getting something about a false complaint, about a nice complaint, about you drinking and getting loud in an apartment. Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the him Jewish. Is someone's son We have 77, we have 88. And if you're asking, yes, the allegations are true. One time I was supposed to be working with a cleaner and he saw leftover liquor and he did drink it. And did I stop him? I did not. He is of age and he is not a violent person. So if he was intoxicated on the job, I did not mind at that time. One time I worked with somebody in a Jewish place. One time I worked with somebody when I clean in a Jewish place. And after Shabbat Shalom, somebody take up the liquor because them leave over so much liquor for throw away. I don't drink. And somebody's son take up the liquor and drink. I'ma say, he can't do that. But him not violent. Him still clean. Him do everything okay. Then he was tipsy as fuck on the job. I never say nothing to him. I just say, okay. Somebody I try to make it, you were intoxicated at the job. Okay. Where did you work? It's not like you're, calm the fuck down. It's not like I ever been intoxicated. I think he saw a chat. Is that something about it? Are you a server or a cleaner for a place? Am I getting you start drink the liquor, drink the champagne on the job? What left over, the people, them things, because I remember I seen somebody do that one time. I'm gonna say, but the guy is not violent. I'm not gonna report him because of that. I mean, it was still cleaning. It was fine, bro. It was fine. He's like, calm down. You're not his mom. Calm the fuck down, Brody. Is there something like that about somebody getting drunk on the job? Because him have a kippah on. But also getting something about this Jewish man, him go to this event, him drinking, y'all crash. We have 77, 88. We're also ending it with the Ace of Cups. Yeah, liquor, something about alcohol. Maybe the son drink. Does the son drink? We're getting, if the son drink, the son don't violent. When the son drink, the son don't loud. We're getting somebody young though. Him not young. We're getting some, I don't know. We're getting LIBRA. We're getting you and this person is exactly alike though. We're getting something about two families. Is this something about a Jewish family arranged for you to be with? Because we're getting two family names are coming together. And then I'm going to share the rich. I got cut off there. Okay. So I'm getting you supposed to share the riches, share the wealth with this family. We're getting two family names coming together. Okay. Y'all gonna come together. We're getting like, oh my God, it's like Khaleesi and Jon Snow. We're getting two family names coming together. And we're getting the family is a rich family and they're aware, they're okay. You know, rich people understand the type of, you see, rich people understand the type of caliber of classy women. Classy women, it don't necessarily mean women who covered up. Marilyn Monroe was never a woman to cover up. But a lot of rich people like her. She seemed very classy. And Marilyn Monroe was a known. Remember even episodes, if you go back and watch things with Marilyn Monroe, she was dating somebody's son, and the son introduced her to the father, and the father is like, listen here, honey, I know that you're with my son for money. And she's like, well, of course I'm with your son for money, just as if your son was with me for my looks. And like she convinced the father, and the father is like, I don't like that. And he's like, Dad, isn't she great? And he's like, son, snap out of it. She's great. She's using you for your money. And she convincing the father that, well, at least you know, it's not like I have hidden intentions for your son. Your son going to take care of me, and I'm going to take care of him. And of course, while I take care of him, he will have me on his arms wherever I want to go. And the father was like, I don't like her. I don't like her. Yeah, Marilyn Monroe. It's so weird that acting, she was the type of woman who every man would have spending money on. But the man what she did want, it's very weird to date a politician, I'll tell you that. John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy was her ultimate demise. We have Scorpio, okay? I don't know if someone's son is a Scorpio. We have Illuminati. If someone's on a Scorpio, you're gonna arrange. I'm getting somebody Jewish. I'm getting somebody love drink. Them not violent. Them nice. Them so loving. Me getting them will drink and hug you up. Drink and touch you up. Them love touch and hug. And them me getting this person will never touch you on your breast, and them will never touch you on your ass when them drunk. They'll never do that. But we're getting somebody family have so much more. Somebody family own a liquor company, a liquor store. I'm getting a Scorpio. We have Shark. Maybe somebody, I don't know. I don't know if somebody family want your work off your coast, the 13th zodiac sign. Somebody family want you work at this place so you can meet them son. I don't know. We have I'm getting it's a match. It's a match. It's a match. It's a match. We're getting you and somebody's son. Both of them are going to arrange to be together. I don't know why everyone smiles. So why am I smiling? I don't know why I'm smiling. Look, 10-10. That's a match. Shark, 10-10. And again, both of y'all are earth signs. I'm going to leave it here. Bye.